Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today we are doing our Patreon in review, so this is for my patrons as well as my Fly Babies and my lions. So Patreon in review is so you know what's going on over on the Patreon channel. If it's something that you're interested in, you can certainly join us and be one of the private group that is on the Patreon channel and be a patron. And that is $5 a month. You get about 20 videos a month for that. And these are specific videos. Okay, so what we talked about this last week, well, Monday was a holiday, so we didn't have one on Monday. But for Tuesday was extracurriculars and how to handle that with our children. And that was a request from Kiona. So that should be a good one for you. The 10-item wardrobe is the next thing we visited, and actually only showed 8 items because I wanted to get 3 more dresses, but I've changed my mind. I've gotten 2 more blouses and another pair of pants that were already in my home, so I don't have to spend any money. This is one of them, one of my blouses. All right, so 10-item wardrobe, and that is very exciting for a lot of people and very liberating for me as well as for many people who have tried it. The third one we talked about, so that would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, was guilt and comparison to others. That was a request from Tammy, and so I think that's a worthwhile video for you to watch. And the last one was a request from Darlene, and it was on procrastinating, why we procrastinate, why we think things take so long. All right, that's our Patreon in review. I hope that you'll join us and come on over and watch these videos. Enjoy your day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.